All units next directed to 3rd and Walnut.
Choice City, be advised, we're in a vehicle pursuit. Vehicle heading west on 2nd and 10th.
Hello?
Here.
Yeah.
80, 90 miles per hour. Continue west, crossing 2nd and Cherry. Right at a stop sign. Still traveling westbound. Coming up to 2nd and University. Disregard other traffic. Reckless driving. Condition good. Dry roads, light traffic. Suspect still traffic west on 2nd, coming up. 2nd and Blake. Speed approximately 90 miles per hour. 643 is 10-4. Oh, that's one blood show. 1036. Somebody's going to be going on Barricue. Westbound, Barricue to Foster. It's going to be a white Dodge Charger. Each one is primary, I'm secondary. Let Pine Bluff know we got their car. Speed approximately 75 close to Hudson. 10-16, 75 approaching Hudson. TBI. 10-16. Start us at 10-16. Hands! Right now! On the ground! On the ground! Now! On the ground! But get your hands out the side. On the ground. All the way down. Is anybody in the car with you?
Sir.
What is your problem? Huh?
Yeah, weed in the car.
Wow. Major malfunction. Hands behind your back. That was pretty stupid, homie. Pine Bluff, be advised, 10-15. Go ahead and notify on-call supervisor. Hey, sit right there. 11 Pine Bluff, you copy. Go ahead and notify on-call supervisor. Yeah, I can do it now.
286, out with that vehicle.
Step one. E11, the unit with Pine Bluff PD looking for the white Charger. E11, next.
E11, 85,
I'm just letting them know we're at Bear Q and Lee. We're 1015. Restart. Let me restart mine. I'm gonna have you restart yours. Hold on.